A massive fire tore through the head office of the Public Health Engineering Department (PHED) in Thoubal District on Friday night, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. The inferno, which erupted around 11:30 p.m., reached the old PhD building, reducing it to ashes according to fire service sources. There were no reported casualties or injuries, with the office caretaker managing to escape unscathed. However, the flames engulfed multiple structures within the complex, including the offices of the executive engineer, assistant engineers, section officers, and other officials, causing extensive damage. Preliminary investigations suggest that an electrical short circuit, likely exacerbated by the aging infrastructure of the old building, may have triggered the blast, sources revealed. Efforts to quell the flame were swiftly initiated, with 2 fire tenders dispatched from the Thoubal District headquarters upon receiving the distress call. Despite the prompt response, the fire had already consumed a significant portion of the premises by the time they arrived, underscoring the ferocity of the conflagration. An on-site assessment conducted on Saturday estimated losses incurred from the fire to exceed Rs 1.1 crore.